Need to sand but don't know where to start? We have you covered. Whether you're sanding fine surfaces, removing paint, or sanding down rough areas, there's a sander for every task. So follow along as we shed some light on sanders. Here's how. Furniture need refinishing? There's a sander for that. The random Orbital sander features round pads that move in a circular motion, preventing any marring and scratching. There's a reason it's the most popular choice for DIYers. It's versatile, easy to use, and adaptable. By simply attaching an adjustable PVC coupling to your shop vac, you can connect it directly to your random Orbital sander and easily clean up the dust as you go. Voila! The random Orbital sander provides a fine, scratch-free finish. If you're looking for a more compact version, then a palm sander is a great option, saving time and energy over manual sanding. Need to remove any paint or large materials, or flatten scratch surfaces? Then the belt sander is your hero. Instead of abrasive sheets, the fully looped sanding belt can flatten and sand surfaces faster than other sanders. Sanding can cause objects to move, so for safety, ensure you clamp it to a secure surface. Since belt sanders do a lot of the heavy work, it's best to use it at the beginning of your project. To remove any cross-grain scratches, make sure your final sanding pass is with the grain. For a high-polished look, finish this job with a sheet sander. They're ideal for completing straight tasks without creating any distinct scratches. Grab your favorite shade and give your project a fresh coat of paint. Now you have the confidence and the know-how to take on any sanding project. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. For more information, visit homehardware.ca.